started raining again. The rain sounds so relaxing tonight. It feels like the whole world slowed down. These mushrooms look perfect for soup tonight. Then let's make something warm. Now the kitchen finally feels warm. That's the best part of cooking at night.
It already smells amazing.
Just wait until it's ready. Good food takes patience. Then this will be the perfect dinner. The herbs smell wonderful. It's going to be a warm dinner tonight. It will be perfect. I can't wait.
It's almost ready. It smells wonderful. Here, try it. Every time we cook together, it feels special.
Maybe because we take our time.
It's ready.
It smells wonderful.
Here you go.
Thank you. Careful, it's still hot. That means it's perfect.
It's ready.
It looks wonderful. Thank you. So good. Rainy nights like this feel so calm.
Maybe because we're here together.
Here you go. Be careful, it's hot.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
You're welcome.
This is so comforting, especially with the rain.
It really is. I'm glad we have this.
Me too. Smells wonderful.
Thanks. It's almost ready.
You're amazing at this.
Only with your help. That's delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
Smells wonderful.
Just for you.
I love it. Here, try this.
It's delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
Being here with you is the best. I'm glad we have this moment together.
Me too. It's so peaceful.
I love you.
The rain makes everything smell so fresh.
It does, and that stew smells incredible.
Let's get 2 bowls.
Perfect for a rainy night.
It smells amazing. This is so peaceful, isn't it?
It is. I could stay here forever.
Please, so much fun!
They're having a blast.
Just like we used to.
Come play with us!
Phew, made it inside.
Yeah, it's really coming down.
Let's get warm.
Why are you being cruel when we could have
Here, this will warm you up.
Thank you.
in the drive-thru order my food?
This is nice.
I love the rain.
Me too. Especially with you.
Almost done.
Here you go.
Thank you.
It's so peaceful out here.
Should do